Welcome to this review of the Husky 120V Inflator. Okay, so as you can see, it's quite compact. It's about 8.5 inches across by 4 inches wide. Maximum operating pressure 130 psi. So here's the power cable. Right here is the air hose. And it also has an on and off switch. And there's a carry handle here. I'm going to plug it in. I'm going to inflate something to see how it works out. Okay, so it's plugged in right now. I'm going to inflate this bicycle tube. I'm just going to turn the switch on. Okay, so that fills up quite fast. And there's a pressure gauge. Okay, so there you have it. This was a review of the Husky 120V Inflator. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.